Hi there, students. To alleviate a verb. This means to reduce the severity of pain or something, to make something bad or something difficult less painful, less problematic. Let's see, we use this verb alleviate particularly talking about pain or difficulty, and it gives the idea of making something easier to bear. So to mitigate, to assuage, to deal with. So to alleviate, the alleviation of pain, to make something such as a pain less painful. So I took a paracetamol to alleviate my headache. There was nothing I could do to alleviate the family's suffering. So it can be physical pain, but it can also talk about problems or difficulties as well. So the money that the government gave the family did very little to alleviate their financial plight. Okay, so to alleviate, to make suffering less severe, to make a problem less severe, to relieve, to take the edge off something, to dull or to deaden. Yeah, so a drug can alleviate symptoms. Yeah, particularly to alleviate pain. And then you could have, we can then use this more metaphorically. So a plan to alleviate poverty, or the government is making it easier for foreign workers to enter the UK to alleviate the labour shortage. The alleviation of pain. Okay, so to make something less painful, to alleviate a burden. So, yeah, the interest rates went down, which alleviated the company's burden of debt. To alleviate a problem, to make it less serious. Yeah, a problem shared is a problem halved. This is maybe one way to alleviate a problem. To alleviate a shortage. So there were many companies importing this product in order to alleviate the shortage. How do you alleviate anxiety when you're really, really worried? Well, a drink might help to alleviate anxiety a bit. To alleviate boredom. Let's go to the cinema. It will help alleviate our boredom. Okay, so to alleviate, to make something less severe, less intense. Okay, so how do we alleviate this situation? How do we ease it, to relieve it, to reduce it? Yeah, the alleviation of misery and problems. Yeah, to make, this is talking about making something easier to bear. Yeah, to ameliorate, to make less bad, to make it easier to deal with. So to alleviate, to ease, to mitigate, to relieve, to assuage, to soothe, to allay, to palliate, to mollify, to appease, to calm, to attenuate, to take the edge off something. Okay, so let's try formality. To alleviate the pain, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6. 6 to 6.5. I think you could just about use it informally. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing, definitely. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Latin, from the verb alleviare, add, towards, and levis, light. So it gives the idea that you're moving towards something that is lighter. Yeah, levare, to raise. Okay, so to lighten, to make easier, and that's the idea, to lighten a burden, to alleviate, to make a pain or a problem less severe. Yeah, temporary or partial lessening of pain or distress, making something easier to endure. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Alleviate, alleviation.